Let's have a look at how we can use dynamic type to increase text size right across the iPad. To activate this feature, we're going to go into Settings, and then we're going down to Display and Brightness. At the bottom of this page is an option for text size. When you drag that slider, you'll see a preview in real time. You can get to a pretty large font size using this setting, and if I drag it right the way to the end, you'll see how that affects it on the side of my screen. With the font size increased, if I open up another app on the iPad, for example Files, you should notice that all of the text is easier to read as it's larger. However, you can go larger again if you need that writing bigger to make it easier to read. For this, go on to Settings and Accessibility, and then on Text Size, you're going to enable larger text sizes. Then you can drag that slider even further right to increase the size of your font on the screen. We can see the impact this has by again opening the Files app. Of course, the opposite is true as well, and if you'd like to have smaller writing so you can fit more on your screen, you can decrease the dynamic text size to make it smaller than the system standard. This will affect many apps, and it will allow you to see more information on the screen should you wish. A lot of apps will include support for dynamic text. Not all of them, but the majority of Apple ones particularly all include this feature.